there was supposed to be a meeting between the Secretary General of the party and Honorable Junet Mohammed and Honorable Oburu Odinga. There was supposed to be a meeting on the eve of the meeting before the Kilifi meeting. And that meeting was meant to try and iron out the differences before the Kilifi meeting. As part of trying to abide by the advice given by Mama Ida Odinga that leaders within the party must sit down and talk. I know for sure that Honorable Sifuna appeared with the Honorable Bosire, but the other two leaders did not appear in that meeting, only to turn up the next day in Mombasa, in Kilifi, for the Central Committee. What we are saying is that let us engage. For example, I have seen two meetings in Western Kenya. I come from Western Kenya. There were meetings in Busia, there were meetings in Kakamega. No one informed me about those meetings, and I was not involved. So you see, that kind of thing is not healthy for the party. I also feel that the activities that are currently being conducted around the country are being done in a haste, because I think the priority for ODM party is two things. Number one is the 10 points agenda. That is the most important tool that the late Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga left us with. Even Honorable Raila, if he was there, he would not do a coalition agreement 1.5 years to the election. He has shown us that a coalition can be done 3 months to the election. So I am basically saying, without saying that coalition building is a bad thing, I'm basically saying that it's not a priority for the party. Can the party deal with the two important priority areas? That is the 10 points agenda, which speaks to the Kenyans, which speaks to the party ideology, and which speaks to Raila's legacy. And then we complete our elections. Now, the moment we start watering down the office of the Secretary General, then we will not have a party. The Secretary General in law is the protector of the party. The Secretary General is a custodian of party instruments. The Secretary General is a custodian of party secrets. And when he speaks after he has consulted. And it is very unfair that Honorable Sifuna can be subjected to the attacks that he's been subjected to simply because he's been saying what Baba used to tell him to say. And that I can repeat anywhere. I can repeat the things that Sifuna used to say when Baba was alive, and what he's saying now, he said them after consultation, adequate consultation. We have not had a discussion on anything to lay the ground. That's not the slogan of the party. The slogan of the party is known. And the slogan of the party is ODM tuko tayari. So, trying to bring new slogans that have not been discussed within the hierarchy of the party is one way of